More possibilities with smart accessories for Roth Touchline SL. With added smart accessories, you can expand the use of your Roth Touchline SL underfloor heating regulation system. The installation is made in the same way on all Roth Touchline SL controllers. In this example, the installation is made on a master controller with 8 channels. The radiator actuator enables you to control your radiators using the room thermostats or room sensors as standalone, or in combination with your underfloor heating system. Adding the window sensors makes your system smarter and more energy efficient, as the heating-cooling demand will be stopped if the sensor is open. Inserting batteries in radiator actuator and calibration on valve. Remove the lid from the actuator to install the batteries. Be aware of plus and minus polarity when inserting the batteries. When the batteries are installed, the actuator starts to open completely to ease the installation on the valve. The opening can take up to 1.5 minutes. The actuator will stay open for approximately 30 minutes, after which it begins the calibration process to fit the valve perfectly. Therefore, it is important that the actuator is mounted on the valve within these 30 minutes, otherwise the calibration will fail. Ensure that the actuator is firmly screwed to the valve. If you do not install the actuator within the 30 minutes, you can remove one battery. Press the pairing button briefly and insert the battery again. You can speed up the calibration process by holding the pairing button until the LED flashes 3 times, and the actuator will start the calibration process immediately. The actuator fits all Roth valves and underfloor heating manifolds, and also a selection of valves from IMI Heimeyer and Honeywell. Adapters for Danfoss type RAN and RTDN is delivered with the actuator. Connection and setup of radiator actuator. Please remember that a thermostat or sensor must be connected to the zone where you want to connect one or more actuators. Press Menu and select the zone to which you want to connect the actuator. Go to the menu Radiator Actuators, press Menu. You can connect up to 6 actuators to each zone, which will be controlled by the same thermostat. Select Actuator 1 and confirm Register. The controller will start to search for the actuator. Briefly press the pairing button with the supplied plastic tool. When you see a red LED flash, a confirmation in the display of the controller is visible. Press Menu twice to enter information of the connected actuator. Here you can see the current opening of the actuator, the signal strength, and the battery level. Press Exit several times to go to the main screen. To be able to see the actuator connected to Zone 1, press Exit and choose Zone View. Here you can see that Zone 1 has one actuator connected to the zone.